The first thing you have to do is to duplicate your image by pressing Ctrl J and then come to where you have select and select subject. And then I'm going to come down here to give the layer mask. Next up, I'll take my text tool by pressing the letter T on the keyboard. And then I'm going to type my text and then expand it to fill up the space, the canvas. Next up, I'm going to convert this to a smart object. So I'm going to right click and say convert to a smart object. And then next up, I'm going to duplicate this layer, Ctrl J once again, and then drag one of the layers, the text layers, beneath one of the image layers. And then select the first layer, the first text layer, and then go to where you have fill and turn it all the way down to 0. So still on the first text layer, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to where I have blending options. And then you come to where you have stroke right here. And then of course you can also increase the size of the stroke. So I can just say, let me make this a 4. And then you can also change the color of the stroke. And then I'm going to create a clipping mask. I'm going to right click and say create clipping mask. Next up, I'm going to select both text layers. So hold my Control key on the keyboard, select both text layers, and come to where you have this link icon right here and link both text layers. So as you can see, you can drag the two texts along. They are both linked together. Alright, so that's it. This is how you can create this simple text effect in Adobe Photoshop.